Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I install Frontal. Okay, so I'm installing a T-frontal. This is my customer and she puts a T-frontal for me to install. Guys, I am a learner just like every other learner that is watching this video now. So please, whatever mistake I make, do not judge me. I am also a learner. So this is the T-frontal, T-pads frontal I will be installing, and let's get into the video. Okay, please do like and subscribe to my channel if you are new on this space. Please like this video and subscribe.
Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife.
So guys, I am done installing the frontal. I will start up with her makeup now before I remove the band. When I'm done with the makeup, the band should have dried up, then I'll take it out. So you guys should watch me glam my customer because she came for frontal installation and makeup.
Swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bonner. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife.
Then fed up, but I rock it like a baby unicorn. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand.